Hi everyone, it's Ara and welcome back to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on canned responses in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to turn on canned responses, of course you'll need to log into your Google account and then go to mail.google.com. Then go to this icon, which is the settings. Click see all settings and then go to advanced. As you can see here, canned responses is also known as templates. So in order for you to turn on canned responses, you'll need to go to this templates and then click enable. So after that, click save changes for you to save your changes. And that's basically it on how you can turn on templates or canned responses in Gmail. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel Gmail feed for more videos like this. See you on the next video. Bye!